Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and you love cars, DIYs and anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you how you will be able to use an OBD scanner or basically an OBD diagnostic tool on your Hyundai Eon. This would be the first time that I'll be using an OBD scanner on my vehicle since I bought my Eon 6 years ago. I haven't encountered any warning lights yet on my dashboard. The clock sprig, or the most common lights would be the airbag malfunction, the check engine light, those kind of stuff. So the scanner that I purchased, I basically bought this online. This one. Okay, so this would be the first time that I'll be using it. I'm a bit eager to find out if there are any error codes or maybe hidden issues that we don't normally see on the dashboard, because sometimes you will see some error codes on the scanner even though you don't see or feel anything unusual on your vehicle.
One eternity later.
Alright, so this is going to be very straightforward. So before I plug this in, let's talk about the OBD scanner itself. So what's the purpose of this? So the purpose of the OBD scanner, or this one in specific, is to diagnose or and also erase the error codes. So never erase error codes, especially if you haven't replaced that part yet, because sometimes the error codes needs to be erased or restarted if you replaced let's say a part. Let's say you replace the oxygen or O2 sensor. Let's say previously you see an O2 sensor malfunction code, then you replaced it, and then when you check on the dashboard, there's the check engine light. So sometimes, not sometimes, so each time you replace a part of your car that's connected to the ECU or the computer box, make sure you wipe the error code clean. Otherwise, that's just gonna keep on popping out. All right. All right. So I know you guys are eager. Same with me. I'm really conscious if we're gonna see some error codes on my car, my 6-year-old car, and that's the current mileage. It's 74,984 kilometers for the past 6 years. No check engine light, no nothing, no warning light. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this OBD scanner on my OBD port, and let's see what we'll find out. And by the way guys, sorry for my voice. I'm still a bit sick, as most of you guys know. I just came from a very bad flu. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
The OBD port of Hyundai Eon is located right here. Okay, so right beside the fuse box. So I'm gonna plug the OBD scanner right there, and you see the scanner lit up. Now it says here enter to scan, so let's click enter. It's scanning. Okay, so as you can see guys, there's no error codes found. So let's see if it's true. Let's hit enter and read codes. Wow. Okay. So happy that for the past 6 years, my Hyundai Eon still in tip-top shape. So you can see here, if we scroll down, freeze frame. I think this is or these are some error codes that I think being frozen or pending on pending status. So let's check vehicle info. Okay, those are yeah, vehicle info. So let's try that again, guys. Let's see. Still no error. So I'm really happy, guys, and relieved, because you know, for the past 6 years, Neo or Barney right now never gave me a headache or, you know, major repairs. The what I consider major would be the front wheel bearing. That's it. Most of the maintenance I've done are just preventive, and most of those videos are uploaded on this channel. I'm not saying that if you know, you do those things that what do you call this, you'll be able to avoid major problems. It's a case-to-case basis, but if you do those preventive maintenance, guys, you will lessen the risk of you guys encountering major problems on your car. Guys, all right, guys, so that's it for our video for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist, and feel free to share the video. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys, and see you on the next video.